Today I am going to show you how to make Ashoka Halwa. This sweet is famous in Tiruvayur as well as Tanjavur. Firstly, dry roast moong dal in a pan. Pressure cook moong dal with 2 cups of water and mash it smooth. You can also do this using mixie. Meanwhile, in a pan, heat 2 tablespoons of ghee. Fry cashew nuts until it turns golden. Take 2 tablespoons of wheat flour in the hot ghee. Stir continuously without any lumps. Add moong dal paste into the pan. Stir continuously. Later, you add 1 cup of sugar into the moong dal. Mix well. The color of the moong dal mixture turns transparent and as you cook. Mixture will thicken and keep cooking. It will start leaving the pan and ooze ghee. Do it in low flame. After the texture gets thick, switch off the flame and add cashew nuts into the halwa. Let it cool down on a banana leaf. You will feel good taste. Ashoka Halwa is generally served in Tamilnadu Brahmin weddings. If you like this recipe, you must try it. If you like my video, please subscribe and like my channel.